Guys, you came to this video because you want to know about the Tesla Model Y spare tire location. Unfortunately, the Tesla Model Y does not come with a spare tire. There is no spare tire underneath the cover here. There is quite a lot of space, but there is no tire. Modern cars nowadays very rarely come with a spare tire, and the Model Y tires, they are huge, so getting a spare would take quite a bit of space and weight. You can buy spare tires which fit the Tesla Model Y, for example, from Modern Spare. I'll try to leave a link down below in the description. But to my understanding, it won't fit here underneath the cover without some modifications which don't seem that easy. Maybe you could strap it on behind there, but personally I'm not going to get a spare tire. You could use one of those foam filling kits which you fill in via the valve over here, but those foam filling kits, well, it has a compressor and it fills it up with foam. You should be able to drive with it at a lower speed, but it pretty much ruins the tire, because if the tire is still repairable, for example if there's a nail on the bottom or top here, it is usually repairable. But if you have filled it up with foam, then the tire repair shop will most likely not be able to repair it, because it's filled with foam and getting the foam out is not that easy. There are tire repair kits which the tire shops use. You can get one of those repair sets. I'll leave a link down below in the description. So if you have one of those, you could repair the tire yourself on the roadside, and then if you have a tiny compressor, you could fill up the tire again and you would be good to go. But personally, the places I drive with the Tesla are such that I'm not that far from a towing truck, and my insurance company would anyhow cover the towing if needed. And if I'm in a hurry, I think the insurance company even covers the taxi if I need to continue the trip with a taxi. So that's what I'm going to do, just rely on a towing truck. But if you go on a longer road trip, maybe having a compressor and a tire repair kit is a good idea. And if you go maybe in more off-grid locations, even going to purchase a spare tire might make sense. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.